very dark, very dark.
It's a deep water crossing. Let's do this. You can see that's the Punjab at top. Thirty 40 kilometers away was Sarchu, and after dropping down to Gada Lows, after Gada Lows till Sarchu is such a beautiful valley. Unfortunately, I couldn't record it. At Sarchu, there's a checkpost where they take details. So I got my detail at that time. At Sarchu, I replaced the SD card. So right now I'm recording. So this is after Sarchu. There is a crossing, and I think there is a water crossing as well. This is a small water crossing. Let's do this. That's okay, I can put my foot down and cross it, it's easy. I think the weather is getting very bad at the top of the pass. A lot of clouds. Don't want to be riding extreme weather. Oh, people are playing in the snow right there. I think so. I think that's Paralacha. It's crowded. नीचे तो भीड़ है। हाँ ठीक है। हाँ हाँ पता नहीं कहाँ ऊपर तक चढ़ गया। बोर्ड ना एक आगे भी है. आगे बंदा अच्छा. Finally, we're snow on the top. Did reach border levels sooner than expected. Around 3 p.m. It's 3:20 now. We are trying to stretch till Manali. Your legs wet, baby. Himachal. First thing could have to gone straight from here. From Leh we are going to go back to Manali. Okay, we're coming across Sarchu bridge. Finally. Coming back the way we came. Okay, we're riding through Jispa already. It's already 4:30. I think we'll reach by Manali by 6. No, not 6. About 8. Again, I think I'll just close this series of this video now. We'll probably reach Delhi tomorrow. Should be another 680 kilometers from here, but it's better to close right here with this beautiful view. I hope you like this series that I did. One of my first proper attempt at doing some motor vlogging and covering places to visit. I would probably like to fill up fuel at Keelong, which should be in another 10 kilometers, and I think that's it. It was a fun, challenging experience with beautiful and overwhelming beauty that I have never experienced before. It was one of my dream trips, going to Leh and Ladakh. I made it more challenging by going through Zanskar Valley, which itself is in very beautiful area, supposed to be back in Delhi on 12th, but this time will be by most probably by 10th. Also, it depends if it's. I mean, I heard that it's raining in Delhi currently, so let's see. But 10 should be the date I'll be reaching Delhi. That's tomorrow, and yeah. Yep, it was. Yeah, like I said, it was challenging for me to go all the distance because I've never done such a long ride. That too for like continuous 8, 9, 10 days. So I hope you guys enjoy the series that the video or the episode that I make. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully I'll do a few more short trips like this. Hopefully maybe another Leh or Spiti trip next year. And let's close this video in with the view of this beautiful Rahul Valley.